Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Yeah. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl K. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's your homie, it's your bestie, it's just big sis. Okay, some of y'all might be older than me, but still, it's your favorite sister. You can't be that though. Oh yeah. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is K, and I do all things budgeting, and we paying off debt, baby, because we got to get it out our life. Okay, point blank and what? Period. So if you do enjoy that type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up, baby. It's for free and it's for me. Thank you, literally. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know your 2 cents, because I would love to add it to my 98 and make it $1. Okay, so as you guys can see by the video, we are doing my paycheck budget today. So let's not do no delay and let's start the video. Salary. So the amount of salary we are working today with is $2,741.44. That's exactly what we're working with today. Okay, and that is my salary and a 3-cent dividend. Child, I could put it separate, but nah, we good. It's 3 cents. So $2741.44, and that's gonna be my total that I am budgeting. Expenses are already written down in here. So I have my mortgage, which is gonna be $1,018.87. Escrow payment of $300, emergency fund of $300, point blank and period. USAA HOA of $49.80, Merrick of $100, pest control of $39, internet of $81.24, Apple Music of $14.99. I don't know why I put $14.95. Why the hell I put $14.95? What was I thinking about? Apple Music is $14.99, y'all. Ooh, let me tell y'all too. So Apple One, right? You know Apple is Apple One. And so your girl was like, you know what? I can get these Gigianas. I can do Apple TV. And I can basically, you know, get Apple Music and some other stuff for the low. Girl, child, they charged me the $19.95 real quick, baby. I was so mad because I thought I was gonna get a month of free. You feel me? No, child, they took that money straight out my bank account. They was ready. They was waiting for me at the door. Okay, I did not appreciate it. And then phone bill is $14.56, and I also forgot to talk about electricity, which is $54.42, which that was the only change on here except for my mistake of $14.99 for Apple Music. So my total for my budget that I'm working with, my total for my expenses, child, it's so early, y'all. Forgive me if I'm not as like the energy queen usually is, child. I've been going to work from like, I want to say like 6 to 9 for the last 2 days. So I have to do this video a little early, you know, just to keep up and make sure I'm doing what I need to do. Because this month I'm really excited for everything that I have planned, and I don't want to delay myself just because I am making sacrifices on my personal time. I don't want it to affect my YouTube. So yeah, guys. So my expense budget total is $2,002.88. I'm left with $738.56 to work with. So now I'm gonna go down to my cash envelopes. That's where we're gonna go to next. So groceries this month is budgeted for $110. That's what I'm gonna budget groceries for this time. Gas, I'm gonna budget it to give it $50. Allowance, I'm gonna budget to give $50. Fine wines, you can get 10 because I literally just bought some alcoholic beverages. Hair care, I'm gonna give it $5. Household, I'm gonna give her $5. Toiletries, I'm gonna give her $5. Support a friend, she can get 5 as well. And then YouTube, I'm gonna give 10. Okay, so groceries comes out to a total of $250. I don't know how I did that, but that was nice. $250 is what groceries come out to, right? From our groceries being $250, we have a total of $488.56 left over. So now we're gonna move down to additional savings, right? And this is where all my saving challenges are and all that good jazz. So because I have this 56 cents, because if you know me, child, you know I do not like cents. So emergency fund automatically off the rips gets that 56 cents, and that's honestly why it's here. I don't like coins left over, so that will take care of that. For my 26-week challenge, I am doing $25. And then for my Fortune 500, oh my god, no, for my Fortune 500 I'm doing $25. And then for my 26-week challenge, I'm doing $44. My bad, my bad. I put those in the wrong spot. Okay, there we go. So my total for this section is $69.56. So now I have $419 left over to work with. So moving on to my sinking funds. So now I have $419 to work with to basically fill in this section right here. So that's gonna be nothing. Okay, so for home decor, right? For home decor, I'm gonna do $20. For travel, I'm gonna do $50. For car maintenance, I'm gonna do $20. For my birthday, I'm gonna do $50. For fun times, I'm gonna do $20. For business, I'm gonna do $50. Then for Juneteenth, I'm gonna do $10. And then for clothing, I'm putting nothing in clothing right now. So the total of all of this sinking fund comes out to $220. Y'all, $220. So $419 minus that $220 leaves me with $199 to work with. So what am I basically gonna do with that, right? So I'm gonna put additional payments towards my car loan and my mortgage. For my car loan, I'm gonna put $99 towards it. Let's do that. And then for my mortgage principal payment, I'm gonna put $100 towards it. How about it? Right? And so that comes up to a total of $119. Okay? And so that should take care of everything for me. So I'm gonna basically write all of this out in my totals category section, and then we will be done, guys. So when everything is said and done, all the numbers are calculated, my total for final should be 0. I should have nothing extra basically left over. So this, guys, is my paycheck budget, and I forgot to write it, y'all. Is this for 1 April? I don't even know why I didn't write it in here. This is for 1 April 2022. So yeah, this is my 1 April 2022 paycheck breakdown. Tell me how you guys like it, what you think about it. Remember, I appreciate your 2 cents. I want to know what's going on in your head. Let me know, sis, okay? So this is a breakdown of everything. If you guys liked it, don't forget, like I said, to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And make sure you like and subscribe. So you guys know I always leave these videos with a quote or some form of saying, or some form of like hype, okay? And basically this one, what I want to tell you guys is keep going even when you're tired. Because girl, I'm tired, okay? I'm tired, but there's stuff to do. There's videos to be made. There's people to entertain, aka you guys. And yeah, I am gonna keep going. I have to get work done, and I want to do YouTube. So hello. And I'm not gonna slack on my YouTube, okay? Not this month. This month we got great things happening, and so yeah, baby. Okay, yeah, baby. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep going, and I promise when this cast stuffing comes out, I'm gonna be more hyped, child, because I'm gonna have more energy. It's gonna be lit. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Nick and a K, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.